To connect the MM-380 to your personal computer using the RS232 interface, simply plug the female end of the RS232 cable into the back of your PC, the other end of the RS232 cable into the MM-380 and the hideaway socket, as so. Then press the hold key to release the lock function, press the menu and select Comm. On the communications mode, select one way. On the Comm type, select RS232. Your Comm speed needs to match that of your software program. Here we have it set to 9600. Your Comm output is selectable between measurement, waveform, history, and others. You can select that using the jog wheel. Here we're going to set it to the measurement, which will output the last measurement that was taken. Our waveform resolution is for your waveform output only. That concludes the setup of the MM-380. Once we have the connections made between the MM-380 and the personal computer, and we have set up the MM-380, we now go into our software program in our computer. Here we're going to be using HyperTerminal. So open HyperTerminal and you'll come to the connection description. Give it a name. We're going to give this one a name. Click OK. And then select the connect using. Here we're going to use COM 1 because that's available on my PC. Make sure your COM port is available and click OK. Here we match the settings that we made on the MM-380, which were 9600 bits per second. We have 8 data bits. We have even parity for the MM-380 as specified in the user manual. 1 stop bit, and we use no flow control. Click OK. And now we should be ready for measurement. To get that measurement from the MM-380 from the communications mode, simply select one-way communication. We have all the rest of our settings already selected. Simply press the COM output and you'll see that it came out on the computer. We can continue to hit the COM button and you can see the output come every time we select the COM button. You can change your selection. This is a measurement output. We can select history, and when we press the COM button, a large amount of data will show up on the computer. We can also select waveform and out of limits through the same function.